In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the GitHub Power-Up and link your GitHub account. To begin, open your workspace and find the Power-Ups icon. This is the hub for managing integrations in your app. Click the Power-Ups icon, then select Add Power-Ups. A catalog or marketplace will appear. Give it a moment to load fully. A short wait here is normal, especially on a slower connection. Once the catalog is ready, head to the search bar and type GitHub. This filters the results so you can quickly locate the official GitHub integration. Click on GitHub to open its details page. Here, you can review what the Power-Up does and confirm it's the one you want. When you're ready, click Add. This action installs the Power-Up into your workspace so you can connect it to your account. Next, go to Settings for the newly added Power-Up. In the Settings area, look for the option to authorize your account. Click Authorize Account. You may see a loading indicator while the system prepares a secure connection to GitHub. Just give it a moment. When the next screen appears, click Link your GitHub account. Again, wait for it to load. The app will redirect you to the GitHub sign-in page. On the GitHub sign-in screen, enter your email address and your password. Be sure you're using the correct GitHub credentials for the account you want to connect to this workspace. Double check for typos to avoid sign-in errors. When everything looks good, click Sign In. That completes the sign-in process and links your GitHub account to the Power-Up. After signing in, the connection may take a moment to finalize. This is normal. You can wait for confirmation on the screen, and once it's done, the Power-Up will be ready to use within your workspace. If the search doesn't show GitHub at first, make sure the catalog finished loading and verify the spelling. If a page seems stuck on loading, give it a few extra seconds rather than clicking repeatedly. This helps prevent duplicate requests and ensures the authorization completes smoothly. And that's it. You've added the GitHub Power-Up, authorized your account, and signed in successfully. Repeat these steps anytime you need to set this up in another workspace, and you'll be connected